Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Edge 60 Fusion with vegan leather design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO LED 1.5K quad curved display, 6.67 inches Super HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 96.32% screen to body ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits HDR peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT700C sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 13 megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2 and LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Hello UI. Screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 3 years of OS upgrades and up to 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 4nm chipset. Paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.2 by 73.1 by 8.25 mm, and it weighs around 180.1 grams, and the color options: Pentone Slipstream, Pentone Zephyr, Pentone Amazonite colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 68-watt wired turbo power fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, military grade durability support, and with NFC support market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 22,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.